Usain Bolt has won 8 Olympic gold medals. And not only that, he's shattered several world records in the 100 meters and the 200-meter races. Bolt is more than just a sprinter. He's a symbol of determination, a living testament to the power of setting ambitious goals. You may not know this, but his journey to greatness was no easy feat. He faced many obstacles on the way to becoming the Usain Bolt you know. In the early chapters of his story, Usain Bolt had a 4-year plan where he outlined his objectives of winning gold medals at international meets, breaking world records, and earning the title of the fastest man on the planet. These goals weren't mere aspirations. They were the guiding lights that provided direction and a roadmap for the aspiring sprinter. But one of the first challenges he faced was the problem of starting races slowly, a flaw that could put him at a disadvantage against fierce competition. But he didn't give up. He devoted countless hours to perfecting his starts and refining his form. Weight training and other exercises became his daily routine in the quest for strength and speed, transforming the lanky sprinter into a powerhouse on the track. Then again in 2004, a hamstring injury struck. Later, back problems threatened to cast a shadow over his career. Time off from training and competition became a necessary evil. But Bolt refused to succumb to these adversities. Working hand in hand with coaches and physical therapists, he crafted a rehabilitation plan that saw him emerge from the shadows stronger than ever. He also had to deal with the mental obstacles of the inevitable defeats he had to suffer at the hands of fellow sprinters earlier in his career. All these obstacles and roadblocks would have derailed lesser athletes, but not Usain Bolt. Each setback fueled his determination to work harder, to push himself beyond limits, and to rise above the competition. And he turned these setbacks into parts of his narrative, chapters that showcased resilience and an unwavering commitment to his craft. This Usain Bolt story emphasizes the importance of setting ambitious goals, knowing that obstacles are inevitable, recognizing the importance of consistent effort and refinement, and knowing that resilience is a key factor in achieving long-term success. You might wonder how this is related to you as a trader. Well, here is the short answer. Usain Bolt's journey holds several lessons that can be applied to trading. In this video, I will go over 5 important life lessons that traders can take from his story. Lesson number 1. You must set goals and plan. Usain Bolt had a well-defined goal from the beginning: to win gold in international competitions and ultimately claim the title of the fastest man on earth. Not only does he have a goal, he has a 4-year plan on how he would execute those goals. And he went ahead and gave his goal and his plans his all. Permit me to ask about your goals as a trader. I presume it involves achieving substantial financial gains. Okay, but are those goals clear enough? Are they realistic and based on your trading experience and skills? And also, what's your plan on how to achieve those goals? As a trader, it's important to set clear goals to navigate the financial markets well. Goals help you know where to go and help you stay focused and motivated. If your trading goals are realistic profit targets you know you can hit, and also include acceptable loss levels you know you can take without getting emotional, then having these goals will help you manage your risks effectively. And by having these realistic yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily goals and plans, you can confidently protect your trading capital. To set good goals, be specific. Define them clearly. Make them realistic and achievable, and include measurable details and deadlines. Find a balance between risk and reward, and make sure your goals are challenging, but within your comfort level. Write down your trading goals and create a plan to stick to them. This helps you stay committed and gives you something to refer back to. It's also important to learn from your experiences and adjust your goals as needed, and keep adapting. This trading is ever-changing. To summarize, setting and actively working toward well-thought-out goals turns trading from a guessing game into a purposeful and disciplined journey. Lesson number 2. Losses are inevitable. At one point in your trading journey, you lost a huge chunk of your trading capital. And I know you know that feeling of excruciating pain you feel in your heart. But when you encounter losses, it's crucial to view them as part of the journey rather than permanent setbacks. Similar to how an athlete like Usain Bolt might face challenges such as injuries, traders must recognize that losses are a thing one can't avoid in the dynamic nature of the financial markets. Instead of letting these losses discourage or define future decisions, you should approach them as valuable lessons. Learning from losses involves analyzing what went wrong and understanding the factors that contributed to the unfavorable outcome. This reflection process enables traders to adapt their strategies, refine their approaches, and strengthen their decision-making skills. Like an athlete reviews their performance to enhance future races, traders should also use each loss as an opportunity for improvement. Being flexible and open to adjusting tactics based on market conditions is essential for resilience and long-term success. By embracing losses as opportunities for growth and a part of the process, you will build a robust foundation for sustained success in the unpredictable trading world. Lesson number 3. Learning and improvement is a continuous exercise. Usain Bolt committed numerous hours to refining the aspects of his slow starts. He also incorporated weight training and exercises into his daily routine to enhance both his strength and speed. This approach played a pivotal role in transforming his performance on the track. In the ever-changing financial markets, traders must adopt a mindset of perpetual learning and improvements to adapt to dynamic conditions and seize opportunities. Continuous improvement in trading skills contributes to better decision-making and risk management. By learning from successes and setbacks, you will refine your strategies and develop a deeper understanding of the intricacies of the market. This ongoing educational journey is an investment in long-term success, providing a solid foundation for navigating the complexities of the financial world. In summary, just as Usain Bolt's dedication to refining his technique propelled him to greatness, traders can achieve sustained success by committing to continuous learning and improvement. Remaining stagnant in the fast-paced world of trading can result in missed opportunities. Therefore, it is crucial to prioritize the pursuit of knowledge and skill enhancement as integral components of your trading journey. Lesson number 4. Have a long-term perspective. It's never just a sprint, it's a marathon. Although Usain Bolt is the world's fastest sprinter, his path to achieving this feat was far from easy and far from fast. It required 4 hard, long years of unwavering, tedious work, dedication, and perseverance for him to clock in at 9 seconds. Pause this video and think about that for a minute. This is a lesson on embracing a long-term perspective and recognizing that achieving success in life is a journey that demands patience and perseverance. Bolt didn't become a world-class sprinter overnight. It took years of dedicated training, setbacks, and continuous improvement. Adopting a long-term perspective means resisting the urge for quick wins and understanding that there will be inevitable ups and downs in the market. Traders who focus on short-term gains without considering the broader journey may be more susceptible to emotional decision-making and impulsive actions that might deal a death blow to their trading account. Patience is a key virtue in trading. Markets can be unpredictable, and success often comes from sticking to a well-thought-out strategy over the long haul. Those who persevere through tough times, learn from mistakes, and continuously refine their approach are more likely to achieve sustainable success. In essence, a long-term perspective in trading involves understanding that success is a gradual process. By maintaining patience, staying focused on the bigger picture, and persevering through challenges, you will build a solid foundation for lasting success in the dynamic world of the financial markets. Lesson number 5. The power of one. Usain Bolt's success is a powerful testament to the impact of singular focus and dedication. When he decided to become a sprinter, he committed himself wholeheartedly to that goal, dedicating years of hard work without losing sight of his objective. The power of one in Bolt's story emphasizes the strength that comes from channeling all efforts and energy toward a single purpose. In a world filled with distractions and competing priorities, Bolt's unwavering commitment to sprinting set him apart. In life, the pursuit of knowledge is boundless. But the wisdom lies in recognizing that you can't be an expert in everything. In trading, just as in life, success can only be found by mastering just a handful of currency pairs, financial assets, and one trading strategy. In essence, the power of one encourages individuals, whether in sports, trading, or any area of our lives, to commit wholeheartedly to their chosen path. And understand that sustained dedication to a singular goal can lead to remarkable achievements. Usain Bolt's story teaches us about setting ambitious goals, overcoming obstacles, continuous learning, adopting a long-term perspective, and the power of singular focus, all of which apply to the world of trading. Before you go, why don't you check out this video where I tell my story, how I blew many trading accounts, what it did to me, and how I overcame these challenges. I strongly suggest you give it a watch. It is linked somewhere on the screen and in the description. If you made it to the end of this video, I say well done, and if you found this video helpful at all, please destroy that like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it when I drop videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.